Once you built your prototype and you built a version of your design, you don't just keep it within your team. You have to test those prototypes to your users. Testing prototype is crucial because it helps product managers identify flaws in their product design and in the user experience. And it makes you can easily make necessary adjustments before launching that particular product if you test with your users because they will give you feedback. During the testing phase, product managers can then observe users as they interact with your prototype and they collect feedback on what works and what does not work. The feedback can then be used to like make adjustments to your requirement document, your make improvements to your designs, make improvements to your solution proposition basically. It is very important to test both low fidelity prototypes and high fidelity prototypes. At the beginning stage, when you're just building the product, you can just test low fidelity prototypes. And when you get to the deliver stage where you are trying to actually now build the product, you can then test the high fidelity prototype with your users because then you will have worked with the product designer who has created an actual simulation or actual interaction for that particular product, how it will look like exactly. But you can also only do that when you've gotten more feedback, when you've tested when you've tested your low fidelity prototype to your user. That's your wireframe. As a product manager, when you're testing your prototype, it is very important that you are not just testing with one type of person. You should test with diverse set of people, diverse group of people, so that you can get different people's perspectives. You can get more than one person's perspective and you can get more insight on the product you're trying to build. As you get along in your product management career, I do hope to see that you get to draw wireframes to represent the products that you get to build and eventually even work on high fidelity prototypes.